And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a gradient with multiple colors. By default, you've got a gradient with two colors, or one endpoint with a fill and the other with transparency. Let me create a rectangle. I go to Object, Fill and Stroke, and under Fill I'll add a linear gradient. Now I'll activate the gradient tool. And you can see we've got these two. So on the left we've got our fill, and on the right the transparency. And if I click on these endpoints, I can adjust the colors. If I hover over the line of the gradient, so when the gradient tool is active, I can double click on it, and if I create new start points for this gradient, and if I select them with the left click, I can adjust them specifically. Always check the opacity. When you've got a transparent stop in your gradient, the transparency might be adjusted automatically, so you may want to check that and set it to 100%. And if we want to create such a color blend scale, we just need a couple of these stops that I can create, as I've said, with a double click. And then I use the color wheel up here to adjust the color. Let me go over it once again. I'll check the opacity and drag these little circles within the color wheel, or within the triangle of the color wheel, to the endpoint of the color, just like this. Maybe I'll add another color at the end, and I'll reposition these stops a little bit. And this is how you can create gradients with multiple colors in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.